Hey all, it's Camian Larson, Home Design Renovation Coach here in Oregon City, Oregon. It was a gorgeous day today and I got to work with my partners on getting ready for our big open house event tomorrow. So that's going to be a lot of fun. We're really hoping that people will come down and brave the weather and have a good time with us. So I am here because I want to tell you about what I'm doing these days. So some of you know that I've been a contractor, I've been a designer, I've done a lot of stuff, including own a showroom and have a cabinet line. And what I am doing now is teaching people, and I am so excited. It feels so right. I am giving empowerment workshops on home renovation. So my first course is called Home Renovation 101, how to get started and make it happen. So my goal is always to take away that fear and that overwhelm and give people the information that they need, the strategies, the techniques, the little tips on how to hire people, how to design, and how to get through a project and be happy at the end. What a concept. So anyway, I'd love for you to read more about it. My website is up. It's camianlarson.com. And I also have a Facebook page. I'd love it if you'd like me and follow things that I'm doing. And if you know someone in the area who might be able to use my services, I would be so honored if you would share the information with them. It would really help. So thank you so much to everyone's support. I appreciate it. I'm looking forward to growing this business and having you all watch me go along, see how it goes. All right, thanks. Have a good one.